You felt it, that awkward pause between words. The quick scan of your mind, searching for what to say next. Small talk. It's supposed to be easy, yet somehow it feels like pressure. But small talk isn't meaningless. It's the quiet bridge between strangers and connection. The psychology of how trust begins. You're not awkward. You're just wired for honesty. Your brain craves meaning, not surface-level chatter. Yet psychology shows that small talk isn't shallow. It's a trust signal, the first step toward real connection. So today, we'll uncover how to use it, not to perform, but to connect with authenticity. Section 1. Comment on the present moment. Small talk begins where you both already are. Instead of searching for the perfect topic, anchor in the moment. Comment on your shared environment. This place has a really calm energy. Or, that presentation gave me something to think about. When you name the present, you create safety. You're not forcing connection, you're noticing together. The brain relaxes when it senses shared reality, and comfort, not charisma, is what opens people up. Section 2. Use open-ended questions. The best conversations aren't built on cleverness. They're built on curiosity. Ask how, what, and why questions. Instead of, do you like your job? Ask, what do you enjoy most about your work? It invites stories, not statements. Psychologists call this self-expansion. When people talk about themselves, they relive the emotion of experience. And you, by listening, become part of that positive feeling. Section 3. Ask follow-up questions. Every answer is a door. When someone shares something, even small, walk through it. If they mention they grew up in another city, ask what it was like there. If they talk about a recent trip, ask what surprised them most. Follow-ups prove you're listening beyond the surface. It's not interrogation, it's connection through attention. The Stoics said, to listen is to love without words. Most people don't need you to impress them. They just need to feel heard. Section 4. Be interested, not interesting. When you focus on being interesting, you perform. When you focus on being interested, you connect. Genuine curiosity makes you magnetic. Not because you're loud, but because you make others feel seen. People rarely remember what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. So stop trying to shine and start trying to understand. That's real charisma, quiet curiosity. Section 5. Give and take. Good conversation is like breathing. Inhale, exhale. Ask, then share. Listen, then open up a little yourself. If they talk about their weekend, mention something small about yours. It's not about mirroring content. It's about balance. When you reveal just enough, you give permission for them to do the same. Vulnerability invites vulnerability. It's how strangers start to feel familiar. Section 6. Use positive body language. Your body speaks before your words do. An open posture, relaxed shoulders, genuine eye contact. They say you're safe here. The human brain detects threat or comfort in less than a second. Crossed arms, tense jaw, wandering eyes. They all say closed. But warmth, stillness, and a small smile say, I see you. Authenticity isn't just verbal, it's physiological. Your calm becomes their calm. Section 7. Match their energy. If they're soft-spoken, slow your tone. If they're passionate, let your energy rise just a little. This is psychological mirroring, a natural human behavior called rapport. It doesn't mean imitation. It means attunement. Our nervous systems sync when we feel understood. When energy aligns, trust builds effortlessly. People feel connected not when you act like them, but when they feel you're with them. Section 8. Find common ground. Human connection thrives on overlap. You can use a simple framework called FORD: family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. It's not a script, it's a compass. Ask about family. Do you have anyone you're close to here? It builds warmth and familiarity. Ask about occupation. What's the most rewarding part of what you do? Work reveals passion, values, and daily life. Ask about recreation. What do you do when you want to unwind? Shared interests spark energy and laughter and dreams. Is there something you've always wanted to try? This opens the door to purpose, curiosity, and vulnerability. You're not interviewing, you're exploring the map of someone's life. Even if you don't share the same hobbies or goals, you can always share emotion, joy, wonder, or ambition. Common ground isn't sameness, it's shared humanity. 9. Practice everywhere. Every interaction is practice. The cashier, the neighbor, the coworker. You don't get confident first and then start talking. You talk first, and confidence follows. The Stoics said, "We become brave by doing brave things." Each micro-conversation is a quiet act of courage. Over time, small talk stops feeling like performance and starts feeling like presence. 10. Let go of perfection. You will stumble. You'll say the wrong thing, or forget their name, or laugh at the wrong time. It doesn't matter. Connection isn't about flawless execution. It's about honesty. When you stop chasing approval, your authenticity takes over. And that's what people truly connect to. Small talk isn't small when it leads to something real. It's the doorway to belonging and the first step toward understanding others and yourself. If this video helped you, subscribe for more insights on psychology, philosophy, and the art of living with presence. Remember, see clearly, speak simply, connect honestly.